TCN-Hot food vending machine. Spacious design with a built-in ozone sterilization system to keep every meal fresh and safe. Conveyor belt slots with digital price tags. Easily adjustable from anywhere. Fully adjustable refrigeration from 4 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius for optimal freshness. A 21.5-inch HD touchscreen with an intuitive menu for a smooth, fast ordering experience. Multiple payment options supported: cash, coins, and cards. Precise XY-axis dispensing ensures meals are delivered steadily without tipping. Built-in microwave warms meals evenly in just 45 seconds. Automatic door with anti-pinch protection makes pickup safe and worry-free. Heat-resistant tray prevents burns when taking out hot food. TCN windowed meal vending machine, bringing hot meals to customers safely and conveniently.